Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be reviewing two keyboards made by Vermeer. One of them made by XVX, but it is considered under Vermeer. One of them is like made out of Coral Sea keycaps. It was inspired by the Coral Sea keycaps. They basically like made the Coral Sea on the whole keyboard. So that looks pretty cool, and the other one is botanical. So we will be taking a look at these two boards. They were sent over to me for review. They didn't pay me to say it was good or anything, so this will be honest opinion. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. This is the K87 Phoenix high performance mechanical keyboard. I don't know how a keyboard is high performance, but we are gonna find out today. Starting off with the one that I don't really like, which is not the Coral Sea one. But yeah, let's unbox it. Vermeer acrylic mechanical keyboard. We have a cable, not braided, plastic Type-C cable, not chat, brush, and switch and keycap puller. We won't be using those. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It is XDA profile, which I don't really like. First impression, it's a pretty heavy board for some reason, even though it's acrylic. Vermeer basically is trying to create like keyboard themed keycaps. Like famous sets like Botanical, they made like a keyboard to go with it. So it's pretty nice actually. Nice little thing here. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually leaves down here. It looks pretty sick. Oh yeah, but it is a floating profile keyboard, and it is a good old Gateron red. We'll do a typing test and see how it goes. Let's see how much RGB this thing has. Oh, USB port on the right. USB port on the right. Wow, RGB. It's actually not that bad. First impressions, the keycaps don't really feel like XDA for some reason. It's like more curved than an XDA. There's like a rounded edge. The stabilizers though are actually pretty decent. I'm honestly not mad at all for a stock keyboard. It's pretty damn good. It is a little silent. I don't know why. One of the bad thing about this keyboard, it's pretty hard to mod this thing because it is stacked acrylic and there is only like 3 layers of stacked acrylic. I don't think you can even fit foam in here. It's probably best used as a stock keyboard. All you want to do is maybe switch out the switches. There's someone who said reskinned Vermeer. It is a reskinned Vermeer, but it is at a cheaper price if I'm not wrong, and it provides like nicer keycaps compared to a Vermeer. Vermeer K87, $83. But if you get this botanical one that has like prints and botanical keycaps, it is $3 more. So you tell me which one will you get? Like honestly, I think this is a good starting point for people to get into the hobby. Just like this, with good stabilizers, you can just loop the stabilizers, change out the switches, and you probably fall into the rabbit hole. We'll swap out a keycap to hear whether it sounds different. So we're gonna try putting in a Holy Panda X and a Ecosia Silver. Oh, it's north facing. I thought they made south facing boards, man. Come on. But yeah, it's fine. 5-pin at least, not bad. This is the Eco Silver and this is the Holy Panda X. That's a Gateron red. Should we replace the main alphas with some different switches and see whether it makes a difference to the keyboard? Should we do that? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of milky yellows. Alright, let's do yellow. Mod the steps. I'll probably just inject some lube in and pray to God that it sounds good. One thing really weird about this keyboard, I can install switches without using any force. It's kind of weird. Will it cause interference? I don't think it will, because these keycaps are not cherry profile. And for now, we will inject some lube into the stabilizers. It takes a little learning. I'm still not very used to using this. Alright, let's do this. This is the somewhat modded version. I just swapped out the switches, so we'll find out how good this is. Milky yellows, lube steps, somewhat lubed. Those steps are not good, yes. You would probably need to remove them and loop them properly. One thing I don't like about this keyboard, it's too muted, in my opinion, for some reason. You probably need to use a tactile switch or something. these switches are not supposed to sound so silent. Alright, this is the main reason why we're all here. The MK84, they didn't have the 60%, so they sent me the 80%, but this is the Coral C keyboard. Alright. Wow. This looks pretty sick in my opinion. Damn, that's pretty cool. I really like the bottom. The bottom looks so sick. Okay, this sticker, no go. I don't like this. They should remove this. The switches are Gateron Reds again. 5-pin north-facing sockets. This doesn't sound as muted, so that's very nice. USB-C positioning on the left, very nice. The 61% costs $76. The one I have is the 84%, which is $89. So honestly, I would get this instead. This looks nicer. Stock typing test. It sounds way better than the other keyboard. Way better. How should we mod this? Foam mod it maybe? It's not hollow though. We're gonna try to open it up and see what's inside. Maybe we'll tape mod it as Arisa said. So yeah, this is the case. Inside is a little scuff, but who sees inside anyway? And I just realized how they did this. Look at this. They basically like paste a sticker on it. It's someone... Oh my god, I peeled it off. Okay, but it wouldn't peel off from the outside. Like, I tried. It's not coming off. We'll do tape. I mean foam first. What foam do I have? Okay, this is basically leftover foam that I'm gonna use. Alright, foam modded. Very nice. We'll just squeeze it down. Tape mod. I'm just gonna tape the alphas because I'm only gonna type on the alpha. So, alright, we're done. Tape modded and foam modded. I can't see. Help me, please. I'm having some minor troubles here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, I got it. Why? Oh, I've been plugging it in the wrong way. Freaking idiot. There we go. It's in. Ooh, sheesh. Right, there is ticking in the spacebar. I'll fix only the spacebar and then we'll get on with the day. Honestly, the stabilizers are kind of pretty good. Damn, I fixed it. It's not torque, but it's good enough. Alright, final thoughts. Alright, this keyboard, what is it called? The Vermeer Phoenix. I am not a huge fan of, but honestly, it's not that bad for a stock keyboard. But the only reason I don't really like it is because you can't really mod it like what I did to this keyboard. If you want to get into the keyboard hobby and you don't really want to do any modding, maybe you just want to swap out your switches and you really like the botanical keyboard, then you should get this keyboard. It's perfect for you. So yeah, that is the review. I will give it a solid 6 out of 10. For beginner, 7 out of 10. And next up was our main attraction, the Coral C keyboard. This, on the other hand, is pretty damn good. The keycaps are the good old Coral C, you know, even though they are XDA profile, they are still Coral C. They are the most popular budget keycaps I know of. Your whole keyboard matches the Coral C theme. You can get the mouse pad too. It's pretty sick. My favorite part is this part. It looks so clean. Sound-wise, stock, I would give it a solid 5 out of 10. It's very moddable. You saw me do a easy tape and foam mod and it sounded way better. Swap out the switches and you probably have an even talkier keyboard. And aside from that, this keyboard is pretty good. I give it a solid 7 out of 10. Yeah, and you can use it wirelessly. How nice is that? Alright, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this is a good step in the budget direction. This is the most popular budget keycap set and they made it into a whole keyboard, which is very cool and it looks sick. Thank you so much for sending these over, Mr. XVX and Vermeer. I'll probably give this away soon. This we will give away. So aside from that, if you guys are interested, go check the items out in the description down below. Remember to subscribe so you can catch more streams, you know, comment your thoughts on the both keyboards. Like the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Peace.